Hello everyone, this video about Google Cloud Spanner, and I will show how to insert row with JSON data into Spanner. Here I have JSON test table with next schema ID, which is string, and data, which is JSON. Let's query this table. I don't have any row here right now. Let's insert a new one. For this I need use something like this. Sorry, like this. ID1 and JSON data like this. Code. Okay, let's try. And yes, we have error because here I have to use JSON keyword, otherwise it won't work. And here we go. Let's query table one more time. Yes, I have ID1 and data code awk. Okay, I can do same using shell and gcloud command. For this I have terminal and I have prepared this command: gcloud spanner database executes SQL, provide database, instance ID, and select everything from JSON test. Let's run it. And yeah, I have ID1 and code. Okay, and now the idea replace this query with insert query, and it should work. But we have issue here, which is this mix between double quote and single quote, and here we will have broken string, so it won't work. We can try to escape all these quotes, etc., but it won't work. Let's try to escape this one place and this escape. So we have like open quote, closing quote, we have double quote, which is okay, escaping, and here escaping, double quote should work, but no, we have error. And you can try, you can play with different options, different approaches, but the only one option which works here is to use bash heredoc. I believe my pronunciation is correct, but the idea is that we have this syntax which looks like this, and the idea is that we assign to this var v this content, and it works like this. Yes, we have. So now instead of using this direct query, we will use this variable with heredoc and put insert query in this place, and it should work. Let's try. Let's check it. Yes, we have single quote, we have double quote, and should be okay. So now let's reuse this query. Like this. And we run it. And we have error because row ID1 already exists. Need to update this to 2 code K2. Let's try one more time. And here we go. It works. Let's query this table. And now we have 2 records. Awesome, it works. So the idea here is that with purpose to insert JSON data via bash using gcloud command, you have to use this JSON keyword and this HEREDOC structure or HEREDOC syntax, something like this. And yeah, probably that's it. That's the point of this video. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Till next time, see you. Bye.